Right, I'm underneath the car, I've just emptied the oil. Something tells me that that is where my exhaust is leaking from. Not too sure though, I mean, not sure, not sure. Look at the state of it. Right, yeah, that's where my exhaust is leaking from, I have a feeling. That is going to be one hell of a bitch to fix. I reckon I need to get the MOT guys to do that, because I can't do that with manual tools. No way. Tell you what though, considering this oil is well over a year old, it could be in worse condition. You know, it could be in much worse condition. So I'm not gonna complain about that. Time to get the oil filter off, and then put some new oil in. Can't fucking wait. Car's all serviced now. New oil filter. Letting the oil sink down to the bottom, and we'll check the level in a second. I've got a new air filter in there as well. I've got some left over, just in case I need a top up. But yeah, car's serviced, ready to go. Should run a bit better.